So I'm going to Kmart. I just want to see if they're open or not. It's too early. It is 8 o'clock in the morning now. So I'm gonna open my mags. Because I'm walking so fast. And but all the shops are open, like the fast food, and then they even have like table and chairs. Okay? Oh my god! We are open. So basically all the chairs and tables are back. I can see you here. And Kmart is open. Kmart is open. Like, open. Okay, this place is so full, guys. Like, मलाई थाहै छैन म कहाँबाट के सुरु गरौँ because it's full. Okay, it's like stocked. So I'm gonna quickly do shopping and I'll show you my stuff. मैले के के किने भनेर.
Use PIN pad to complete transaction.
Okay guys, हाम्रो चाहिँ first day of freedom मा we went out in our favorite cafe every time Khankama. I have my coffee here. I'm just waiting for Raju because Raju le आज haircut गरेको छ after almost कति महिना? Oh my god, I don't know how long.
So sad दिन आउनु मिलेन आज काम भएर.
Yeah. Hero. Take your marks out.
No, just trimmed it.
Oh, nice. Nice. Look here, Bob. Say hello. How do you feel?
Light.
Light. I ordered you coffee on this time. Hi, Bob. So, how do you feel after cutting your hair? Okay.
How does a normal person feel?
You do look normal now. Can you like turn around? I want to see at the back. Oh, nice. Arka side ma? Oh, and घाटी मा यस्तो गरेर. Oh, दारी पनि मिलाइदिएछ. Cute. So this is what we're eating for our breakfast.
That's ridiculous.
And that's Raju's breakfast. So good. Bunu एउटा egg दिन्छस् मलाई? दुईटा छ egg. If you're gonna eat, you can eat. But I doubt. So yeah. We can share this.
Yeah.
Thank you. And we are going gym after this. Yay!
I'm so excited कि जिम जानको लागि.
Hi guys. So just got home from gym. Just got home from shopping. We are going gym now. I just want to go and even हुन्छ नि केही नगरे पनि probably treadmill-मा हिँडेर light upper body workout गरेर when I come home I need to buy some protein shake too. So gym ko side ma चाहिँ supplement store छ. I'm gonna get protein shake from there. Ani what else? यही त्यही हो. We did grocery shopping. Kmart ma अलिअलि shop गरेर we have like so much stuff at home we need to fix after that. So yes, we are going to the gym. Congratulations, Manu Satros. We are free now. हामी जिममा गएर के गर्ने भन्नु?
म त 3:12 for 30 minutes walk गर्ने.
We want to do cardio. So I really want to do cardio. I really want to incorporate cardio in my workout now because I don't like cardio. That like I've been doing skipping at home. Can you turn that? I don't want copyright. Okay? Thank you. So I know about YouTube ma it's copyright no? So dumb. So yeah, cardio la चाहिँ अलिकति हुन्छ नि. I want to start doing cardio even weight lift गर्दाखेरि पनि. Yeah, I'm so excited to like get back to normal. धेरै नै मोटाइयो यार यो लकडाउन मा. God, people have been हुन्छ नि saying I've been fat. I look fat. None of their business, but anyway, I don't care. You know, like मान्छेहरुलाई धेरै नै अर्काको बिजनेसमा नोज गर्नु मनपर्छ सो आई डोन्ट रियली केयर अबाउट द्याट बट या एनीवे this weather like I don't know what is up with this weather but this is very shit weather yo huncha ni this weather is like blanket ma basera udi lagaera basera popcorn and coffee and movie oh perfect I feel good, even though we didn't do like a lot. Well, I tried to do deadlift. Moto I lift for it, like deadlift just wanna see how I go, but then it was not that bad. I think my skipping though used to myself my body.
It takes time or
and Bunu did cardio.
30 minutes walk गर्छ भनेको त 15 मिनेट पनि walk गर्न सकिन म त थाकेर खुट्टा दुखेर
did cardio and yeah, that's it. Hi guys, welcome back. So and I took a long break. Gym bada I was so tired because utne bittikai shopping gako thiye त्यही भएर I was very tired. So I took a shower, I had my meal. So चाहिँ मैले film गरिन because I think my phone got थियो. So I'm quickly jumping in here to show you guys मैले आज केमारबाट के ल्याए भनेर. So funny. Obviously drinking water. मैले जिममा फिल गरेको सकाएर one lot. So okay, let's start. So when I went to Kmart, it was open and it was filled with the stocked up here first time your Kmart. So त्यही भएर I did मलाई त के किन्ने म कन्फ्युज भइदिरहेको एकछिन like why भनेर. But anyway, I got I already have one. I think I need one more. यसलाई चाहिँ lazy Susan पनि भन्छ. Also clear storage turntable Kmartले भनेको. So yeah. Listen to Kmart and I've got this. I've seen this all over the TikTok. So I just wanted to do it. Cane rakhera. So you just put your cane ko drink even though हामीसँग धेरै cane ko drink छैन तर पनि I'll use for something else. And when I have a cane drink, I'll use for cane drink. This clear basket I got for fridge again. I wanted to put like fridge ma rakhne fruits heru. We usually eat like kiwis and other fruits heru. And I also got this. You take like you stick on your fridge and then you just put like that. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna store some cheese in this now. Cheese how many cheese we got this ice maker so we have this fridge ice maker wala fridge kineko but then you have to connect to so many things. So त्यही भएर हामीले चाहिँ manually ice बनाउँछ. So I feel like the cover गर्ने वाला is very easy so it doesn't spill around. So that is that. I've got these two clear again for fridge where I'm gonna put my Up and Go. I need apple juice. Bunu and I are obsessed with apple juice recently, and I have got this beautiful tray for my bathroom. अहिले मेरो बाथरुममा चाहिँ एकदम ugly वाला छ. So I've been wanting to have this for a long time. So I got today एकदम full of stock थियो Kmart आज. I was like so surprised and I was like oh my god like कहाँबाट सुरु गर्ने के किन्ने अनि like indoor slippers हेरु किने. So I'm wearing one now. It's like this. Anyway, and I've got this. So I love this. I've been using this for so long. I think I have the bigger one, अनि यो चाहिँ धेरै 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 चलाएर इट्स लाइक इट डजन्ट लाइक त्यो तान्नै छोड्यो अनि अस्ति मैले फाल्दिएँ सो या need this very very handy so this big jar and then this one I already have one of these I need another one to store my candles एउटामा क्यान्डल हाल्छु अर्कोमा चाहिँ बेकिङ पाउडर हो कि बेकिङ सोडा हो कि हो त्यो हाल्छु आफ्टर जिम हामी चाहिँ सप्लिमेन्ट स्टोर गएको थियौँ अघि एन्ड देन needed to buy some protein powder this is the one I use every time but I haven't been using it for so long now I was having protein in like meat amount egg protein we have a protein oat so protein ma bhako rich in protein and also this bread is very rich in protein so त्यही भएर मैले protein powder चाहिँ खाएको थिएन but now start going to the gym and gym सकिने बित्तिकै straight away drink गर्नको लागि या pancake मा mix गरेर बनाउनको लागि I got this is the vanilla ice cream flavor let's see यो कस्तो हुन्छ this is only for trial अनि राम्रो लाग्यो भने bring the big one so guys I hope you guys like this video this was a very random and unplanned video मैले plan पनि गरेको थिएन I was gonna do this video भनेर but then all of a sudden बिहान उठ्ने बित्तिकै I wanted to go grocery and grocery गर्नु गइरहेको थिएँ I remember that we are opening today the New South Wales is opening today so I was like yeah so happy so I ran in came out and then everything happened like so quickly मैले intro video गर्नु पनि पाएन it was super weird Westfield ma when I went there agi when I see all of these people I was like oh my god I'm not ready for this you know usually when we used to go grocery it was very quiet and मान्छेहरु एकदम उलिस र कोल्स मात्रै आएर शपिङ गर्ने भइरहेको हुन्थ्यो so अहिले चाहिँ like everyone walking around sitting down eating it's gonna take time to process that all thing I think we are kind of used to lockdown but I'm so happy that we are able to go out and then visit our families so hopefully I mean regional पनि travel गर्नु पाओस् so I can go and see Ama Baba I miss you Ama I miss you Baba if you're watching this video I really want to say thank you for watching this video guys I really hope you enjoyed this video stay fun vlog video ko lagi चाहिँ stay tuned in this channel and now the gym are open I'm gonna be vlogging a lot of workout and healthy recipe आजको लागि चाहिँ यति भन्दै I just want to say bye bye happy Dasai have a good day see you in my next vlog